Bringing you trending news updates from the world of celebrities, stand-up comedian and actor AY Makun, Makun, has reacted to a manipulated artificial intelligence AI video of him kissing businesswoman May Edochie, estranged wife of Yul Edochie. Recall that a few days ago, May Edochie caused a buzz online after she was spotted traveling in a business class with comedian AY Makun. The two were traveling to watch for the much-anticipated UK premiere of The Waiter. However, a few days later, after photos of their trip were shared by May Edochie, an AI video emerged online which showed AY Makun and the businesswoman kissing. Reacting to the video shared online, AY Makun took to his page to address the situation, lamenting how some haters have tried to chase away everyone working with him. He cited the former Big Brother Naija housemate, Alex Unusual, recounting how some social media users lied about him having an intimate affair with her. He wrote, "Dear online innovators, as the future leaders and change makers of Nigeria, I urge you to channel your immense creative talents towards building a better nation." He emphasized that Nigeria is rich with potential, and our creativity shouldn't undermine the effort of those who are working hard to improve their lives and contribute to the society. The other time, it was the poor at Alex_Unusual, who is yet to come out of all the lies and narrative meted out on a person for choosing always to support a family who was a major part of our brand growth. "Must you always chase everyone working with me or trying to earn an honest living through me?" He wrote. "Let's come together to support one another's hustle, celebrate our achievements, and inspire a culture of innovation and respect. The future of Nigeria depends on our collective efforts to foster an environment where everyone can thrive," he concluded. For more trending updates and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.